All right, so what we're doing today is we're taking out this instrument panel for a 2005 Chevrolet Venture. So I got to do this for a 2004 Montana, which is basically the same vehicle, just one's Pontiac, one's Chevrolet. First thing I want to do is take these screws out here, in here, and screw. So we want to get those screws out of there. And then we can pry this up. I used this guy in Cobalt. Just used this to pry this out right here, and it popped right out. As you can see, there's just little snaps there. Next, start working our way here. We're going to pop this out, and we're going to pop this out over here and over here. Going to pry it out with this, and then we'll need to put this in the lowest gear, and we'll need to pull back this steering wheel to the lowest position, and then we should be able to pull this bezel here out to get to this instrument panel. See you in a minute. Okay, back again. I was able to pry this out. I just took this and pried this out. Pried out over here. Pried it here. And as you can see, there's a clip there. There's little clips there. Pull this out right here. And then, of course, you're going to pull it on out of here. Now, next thing we got to do get the right key. Like so. Now, I do have the brake on. Steering wheel down. As far as it'll go. And now we're going to try to pull this out. All right. No brakes. All right. So there's that out. Now we got to get some screws out. As you can see, there's a screw there. There's a screw down there. And there's a screw over here. And screw up here. So now we got to get those screws out. It is a hot day here, but I'm keeping these doors shut. We got the mosquitoes here in North Carolina. They're out for blood, let me tell you. Alrighty. I'm just putting my screws down here in this tray so I won't lose them. So I originally saw LAF film guy do this on his Montana. And he sent his off. I'm going to go ahead and replace my steppers myself. So we had 2 plugs here on the back. I just unplugged this one from here. And I got another plug here. Should just pop right off. Yeah, squeeze it and pops right out. And there is our instrument panel. My problem is I don't know what speed I'm going because the stepper motor needs replacing. Sometimes the fuel gauge works, sometimes it don't. Definitely the temperature gauge is not working. Gonna change out the stepper. Hopefully that'll take care of it. And I'll see you at the soldering station.